welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to be learning the trendy collar bubu that we all know. Yes, I have gotten my 4 yards of fabric, folded it into 4 just the way you are seeing it. I'm going to be marking my back measurement divided by 2, then move ahead to mark my sleeve length. Yes, after that I'll mark my sleeve opening, mark it out, then I'll mark my hip length too, which is 24 inches. Yes, I wanted to create this coffee look at my hip side, so after adding extra 5 inches, I still added 2 inches for the cuff you see around my waistline. Just calm down, you understand what I'm trying to explain on my bubu outfit. This is not our major concern today, but I just decided to still explain the process of the bubu, despite I know that we all know it, but this is beginner friendly. So in case you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section, and in case you have not subscribed, please kindly subscribe so that when I post new video, you'll be the first to know. Yes, so here I marked my neckline, which was 3.5 by 3 inches for the back neckline. Then I marked my shoulder slant. After cutting it out, I'll be moving ahead, which was 8 inches by 3.5 inches. So moving ahead to the main topic of today, which is the trendy collar. You can see the way I'm folding my fabric into 4, just the way I'm doing it. Make sure you follow the step. After that, you have to measure the length of your neckline so that you will know the length of the collar to cut out. And for the wideness, you can make it 5 inches or 4.5 inches. So far we are not using a pattern paper for this. After that, you are going to extend it at the corner there by 3 inches or 4 inches, depending on how long you want your collar to come out. So after this, you can cut out your collar. Make sure you join your 2 shoulders before you measure your neckline so that you know the exact measurement for your neckline. Yes, because my fabric was later short, I have to change it at the end, but I'll still show you every step, so just keep following. So moving ahead, you can see I'm joining my shoulder here to know the exact length I will be needing for my neckline. And after that, I decided to add a design to my sleeve, yes, with a sequence fabric, just to spice it up a bit, despite my satin fabric disappointed me for my neck collar, but notwithstanding, we move. After that, I joined this side. Then I told you earlier I had to change the collar because of there was shortage in the pink fabric, so I have to change to the main fabric as the alternative option. So it was just the same way I cut the pink, I also cut this particular one out. Going back to our sewing machine, you can see I'm going to be sewing the left and the right part of this collar. Notch it properly, then remove it inside out. After that, you can give it a nice press if you have the opportunity to look good. Then we are going to get our main fabric, yes, our main bubu gown, and start attaching our collar to it. Please take note, this is one of the crucial parts. You need to watch carefully so that you can understand better. And in case you have any question, always feel free to ask us in the comment section. Okay, you can see how I'm attaching this to the neckline. I'm taking my collar and attaching it to the center point of my neckline at the front. Then I took it to the sewing machine and I started sewing to the one part of this collar and the neckline. Then I left the other part. I hope we understand. Just watch closely and it's well explanatory. When you take your time and you don't rush this particular neckline, it tends to sit well. Just make sure, what is crucial is make sure you actually measure the exact neckline you want and the exact neckline for your collar to be the same, to avoid bulge at the neckline so that it can relax well. So when you are done, you will see what I'm talking about. Just make sure you take your time to fix this collar gently to avoid any pleat. when I'm done, I showed you what we already have. Yes, you can see what we already have as our collar. So I'm going to be taking this upper part and sewing on top of this neckline. Like I'm going to be doing sewing on top. Just make sure it's relaxing properly. You will see it. Just watch gently. Don't forget, if I have any question, I'm available to answer your questions in the comment section. So I took my time and I started sewing on top of this fabric gently. Make sure you avoid any form of bulging. Yes, I'm still with you. Just take your time to watch this part because it's very, very self-explanatory. So yes, finally we are done. We are halfly done, and I tried to show you what you already have, even without ironing. It's already giving the shape I wanted. So after this, I decided to spice it up my collar with some pearl beads. Yeah, because I actually wanted to make this a pink color, but the fabric disappointed. But notwithstanding, we have to look for alternative as a good fashion designers. Never be kept short. Okay, don't mind me. So I started attaching these pearl beads to my collar gently, and I was taking my time, even though I never had the plan of doing this, but I think it still came out well. Yes. In case you enjoyed this tutorial and you would love me to keep posting more juicy tutorial, please give me a thumbs up or drop a nice comment for me so that I will know that I've imparted one way or the other to you. You can see this is already giving what we all wanted, so I decided to rock this bubu dress for you all. Yes, it can be worn in two different ways. It just depends on how you want it. Yes, just ignore the dancing step, it's not for you. Okay, yes, this is the first way to wear um this particular bubu dress, and everything is lining properly, and I fell in love with it despite the neckline of my pink fabric disappointed. Yes, I still fell in love with the fabric. So let me know what you will rate this over 10 in the comment section. Do you enjoy this tutorial? Let me know. And once again, if you're here to subscribe to the channel, please kindly do so.